Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best RC helicopters in 2026, whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, you're in the right place. Today I'll be covering 5 of the best RC helicopters, talking about their features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and who they're best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. EC-135 C-187 RC helicopter. The EC-135 C-187 is a beginner-friendly RC helicopter designed with optical flow positioning, a 6-axis gyroscope, and altitude hold. It uses a single-rotor flybarless design, making it more stable and realistic compared to toy-grade helicopters. In real-world use, this helicopter is extremely stable in hover mode. The optical flow sensor helps it maintain position indoors, making it ideal for beginners who are still learning control. Aerobatic functions add a bit of excitement without making it difficult to handle. Pros: very stable and beginner-friendly. Optical flow positioning for smooth hovering. Realistic single-rotor design. Good choice for indoor flying. Cons: limited power for outdoor windy conditions, not ideal for advanced 3D flying. If you're a first-time RC helicopter pilot, the EC-135 C-187 is a safe, stable, and confidence-boosting option. Number 2. CKYSCHN UH-60L Blackhawk or WL Toys K170. This UH-60L Blackhawk-style RC helicopter features a brushless motor, 4-channel control, and a 6-axis gyro. It also includes 3 batteries, which is a huge bonus for longer flying sessions. The brushless motor delivers strong and smooth power, making this helicopter capable of both indoor and outdoor flight. It feels more hobby-grade and offers better speed and responsiveness than beginner models. Pros: powerful brushless motor. Military Blackhawk design looks amazing. 3 batteries included. Good balance of stability and performance. Cons: a slight learning curve for beginners. Larger size needs more flying space. This is a great pick for intermediate pilots who want realism, power, and longer flight time. Number 3. Carmanon Bell OH-58 RC helicopter. The Carmanon Bell OH-58 is a 27:1 scale ultra-realistic RC helicopter designed for collectors and casual flyers. It comes with auto hover and a highly detailed body. This helicopter focuses more on realism and scale appearance rather than aggressive flying. It's smooth, stable, and perfect for slow, controlled flights. Pros: highly realistic scale design, auto hover for easy control. Great for beginners and collectors. Smooth flight performance. Cons: limited speed and agility, not meant for aerobatics. If realism matters more than speed, this is an excellent display-worthy RC helicopter that's also easy to fly. Number 4. Hylukon C-189 RC helicopter. The Hylukon C-189 is a 6-channel brushless RC helicopter with optical flow localization and a flybarless single-blade design. It comes with 2 batteries for extended fun. This helicopter offers excellent control precision and stability. The 6-channel system allows smoother movements, making it suitable for pilots who want to level up from basic models. Pros: brushless motor for strong performance, optical flow positioning, 6-channel control for better maneuverability, solid build quality. Cons: requires some flying experience, slightly higher price. A great choice for serious hobbyists who want realism with advanced control features. Number 5. Dodoore C-189 MD500 RC helicopter. The Dodoore C-189 MD500 is a 1:28 scale RC helicopter featuring a brushless motor, 6-axis gyro, and 4-channel control. It includes 2 batteries and a military-style camouflage design. This helicopter is very stable and predictable in flight. It's easy enough for beginners while still being fun for experienced pilots who enjoy scale flying. Pros: stable and smooth flight, brushless motor durability, realistic MD500 design, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: 4-channel limits advanced maneuvers, best performance indoors or calm weather. A solid all-round RC helicopter for beginners who want quality and realism. So that was my list of the top 5 best RC helicopters of 2026. Whether you're a beginner, collector, or hobby enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.